Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Just a quick one. It's done, it's finished. So the door's on, the door frame has been added and the skirting board is on. That's the shower screen that's yet to go on. Gary was going to do that this evening, but he's had to go and rescue Sophia, who was stuck at her dad's, and it's her birthday, so her party tomorrow, so he really needed to go get her. Yeah, so that's just in here for now. But doors are on and windowsill is on. It's my little trinket box. It's got pictures in it, which is a cute one I've had for years. So all of these shelves are now secured to the wall. They're not going to fall on my head. Somebody did ask me that. I thought that would be quite funny, wouldn't it, if it did? But all the yarn fell on my head. Just complete my mishap reel of falling off my stool and all the other things that have happened to me during my live streams. So would just be another one, but no, it's not going anywhere. It's secured to the wall with a bracket, so it's staying put, and they're all secured to each other. So I still haven't got a lampshade, but that will come. As some people have kind of said, I don't really need to paint the window frame and the windowsill. It looks kind of nice in the wood, and so does the skirting board, which is kind of nice and wood. The door frame was already painted, so it look a bit odd, but we might just get new door frame, whip that off and put nice view of the brickwork, put some wooden one down there. Mike and Gemma were here earlier and they've just left, and it's we had lovely massive thunderstorm and rainstorm earlier, and I thought it would be lovely and cool, but it's not. It's worse. There's flooding everywhere because of it, flash floods. So it's all done. How exciting. And I'm just dusting it off. I've got my little pan of polish and my little lint rag, and I'm going off because dusting them, because they've got bits where you've done some screwing. They've got holes in them already, but you can see there's bits and pieces that kind of need clearing off. So I've done most of the top ones. I'm just now onto the bottom ones, so I'm getting it all clear. I have hoovered, but where I had to trim the carpet there at this part over here, it did sort of stretch there, so I trimmed it back up again and got it all kind of underneath the skirting now, so it's all good, it's all secured down. So I am almost ready to start adding the yarn in, and I don't know what I'm going to put where. Somebody did ask if I would film it, but I don't know. I don't know if I just need to play around with it, and it probably won't stay where I put it initially. It'll start moving about. So I'm not sure if I'll film any of that, but I'll certainly show you once it's got some lovely squishy goodness in it. But for now it's just to clean up and to put on these little plastic thingamajigs. I've got some smaller ones somewhere. These ones here, they're quite small compared. These ones are longer. These ones are just caps that go over normal screws. So I've got to find out which ones are normal, which ones need the smaller ones, and just pop them on so they don't snag the yarn. But I'm just going to carry on cleaning, dusting it all off and getting it ready. And this is my little cute sort of trinket box, and it has pictures of my grandchildren in it, so that's kind of cute. Got a little place on the windowsill there, but I'm not done yet. Still got to do a few bits and bobs before I can start stocking it out. So next time you see it, I'll be working in here and there'll be yarn. So thanks for watching. I've just noticed that Gary has just opened the door, popped his head in, telling me he's back, but scaring me half to death in the process. So I'm going to go see Gary, see how everything went. Thanks for watching. I know it's a short one, but next time you see it, it will have some squishies in it. So I'm so excited. It's all done. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now, everyone.